Welcome to the third lecture of SQL full course series. In our last lecture, we have installed SQL Server and the SQL Server Management Studio. In this lecture, we will learn some basic controls of the SQL Server Management Studio 21. Open the SQL Server Management Studio. If you don't find it on your screen, just type in the search bar SQL Server Management Studio and you will find it here and click on it and it will open. Mine is 21, yours may be 22, the latest version. Now it is opening. At the first, it will ask you to connect to the server. Automatically, it will display the server name, the encryption authentication, whichever is used at the installation time. If the authentication is something different, just select it and put it here. Now just you have to just click on the connect button and it will be connected. After connection, it will show the two windows. This left one is the Object Explorer pane and this is the query editing area. And this at the bottom, it will show the username. This is the user connected and this is the server connected and this is the database connected. Also the time and the rows affected. In the Explorer, you will find all the databases whichever is created by you or the system databases. By clicking on the plus icon, we can expand these. In the databases, these are the databases. When you click on this plus icon, we will find the tables, views, or the things or the stored procedure here. Now, when we click in the query editing area, just we have clicked in this area, we can see here the name of the database has appeared. This is the first database in this list. When we click on this drop down, we can select any of the database. Now suppose you don't find the Object Explorer here, we have closed it. Now you can't see the Object Explorer. How will you get it? Now just click on this view button and click on this Object Explorer. This will be appear here. Now suppose you don't find both of these windows here, then what you will do? To get these two, Object Explorer and the query editing area, just click on this tool and then options and then find the startup and then click on the open Object Explorer and the query window. Just select it and then click OK. Now you will go to these two, Object Explorer and the query editing area. These two things are required to perform your queries. Now, if you want one new query, just click on this new query. You will find the new query here. This is the new one and this is the old one. We can switch between these two queries or you can create more. You can save your queries by clicking on this save button. As we don't have any database created, so we will use the queries which do not require database. Suppose we write a query select hello. Hello as message. This semicolon is the end of the statement. Just select it and press execute button. Now this is the area that have appeared is the result area. We can see two tabs here. This is the result tab and this will show the result of the query and this is the message tab. This will show the rows affected and the completion time of the query. Now suppose we write another statement, select it and just copy it. Now this is the correct one. Now we will intentionally make it incorrect. Now it is incorrect. Now it is incorrect and we'll select it and execute it. Now what we can see, this is the message tab that appeared. It will show the line of the error, means the line number which have error. So it will show the completion time and also that there is a mistake in the query and the status bar will show the query completed with errors. So these are the basic controls which you should know before starting with your SQL. So now you are familiar with the basic controls of the SQL Server Management Studio and in our next lecture we will perform our queries. Hit the like button and subscribe the channel. Also press bell icon for getting notification for more videos.